to set up a WhatsApp username or even reserve one, locate your WhatsApp and launch it. When it launches, check the far right hand side of your screen to locate three dotted lines. When it opens, click on settings. When settings open, click on account. Go down to locate username. When username opens, click on create username. Input your desired username you wish to create or reserve. When you are done, you check down to click on save. This is the main WhatsApp application I'll be using. In the next slide, you'll see that I'll be using WhatsApp Business to also show you how to go about it. Do well to subscribe to this channel, BrainTech, after watching this video. So this is the next slide. We'll be using WhatsApp Business here. Click on the WhatsApp Business, check the dotted three lines to locate settings. Click on settings, go down to locate accounts. From accounts, you'll be able to click on the username, input, click on reserve username. Click on the username you wish to reserve or create. When you are done, click on reserve. You see that automatically you'll be able to reserve your username and nobody else will be able to use it. When you are done, click on done at the down part of your screen to reserve your username. Subscribe to this channel, BrainTech, after watching. Check out this playlist for more interesting videos.